Hi, I'm Hannah, and this is my book review presentation. There are several books, articles, and TED Talks about the many different aspects of leadership. The book I decided to focus on was How to Lead: Wisdom from the World's Greatest CEOs, Founders, and Game Changers by David Rubenstein. David Rubenstein was a former government official and lawyer. He's also the co-founder of the Carley Group and is now currently co-executive chairman of a private equality investment firm. For the book, How to Lead, Rubenstein interviewed several different world-renowned leaders, including Bill Gates, Ruth Bader, Oprah Winfrey, Tim Cook, and many more. The book goes into great detail about each individual person's journey to becoming a great leader. To begin, Rubenstein explains the 12 attributes that helped him go from an average individual to an outstanding businessman and leader. A few of the attributes include luck, persistence, credit sharing, and responding well in a crisis. He goes on to say that with his own experience in leadership positions, as well as observing others in leadership positions, it is extremely necessary to have the criteria when in a leadership position. Rubenstein then divides the book into 6 categories, placing each individual that he interviewed into one of those categories. The categories are visionaries, builders, transformers, commanders, decision makers, and masters. He states that while interviewing each individual about their journey to becoming a great leader, he inquires about how they have continued to be a leader even after achieving greatness. He goes on to say that the individuals have implied the significance of one of the categories previously talked about, and how it has helped them accomplish great leadership. First is visionaries, and one visionary that Rubenstein interviews is Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is a CEO, head of her own TV network, actress, and producer. However, Oprah did not always possess such fame and success. She actually grew up in poverty and was raised by her grandmother. But once she got her first television job at age 19, she went on to become one of the most successful icons in the world. Furthermore, she continued to positively impact lives as she raised more than $51 million through her angel network. During an interview between Rubenstein and Winfrey, Winfrey goes on to say that what we all want is to be able to live out the truest, highest expression of ourselves as a human being. I believe this is the type of mindset that demonstrates what a true leader should strive to be. Next is builders. One example of a builder is Phil Knight. Phil Knight is the co-founder and chairman of Nike. He started off by importing running shoes from Japan. That job eventually led to the establishment of Nike, which is now one of the most branded and profitable athletic shoe companies in the world. Knight explains that Hollywood will portray a leader as tall and handsome and strong-jawed. A lot of times, the real good leaders are just the opposite. First of all, they've got to want it, but they come in all shapes and sizes. Phil Knight demonstrates drive by his willingness to help others and to strive in leadership positions. Next is transformer. And a prime example of a transformer is Tim Cook. Tim Cook is currently the chief executive of Apple Incorporated. Cook was chosen by Steve Jobs, who is the co-founder of Apple, to become the next CEO after Jobs stepped down from that position. Many believe that no one could accomplish as much as Steve Jobs, but Tim Cook exceeded all expectations. While Cook has been CEO, he has helped increase Apple's value from $359 billion to $1.4 trillion in a little over 9 years. To this day, Apple is one of the most valued non-government related corporations in the world. The success at Apple since Tim Cook took over has caused him to be recognized as one of the most influential CEOs in the world. Overall, I believe the book How to Lead is a very beneficial book for anyone to read, whether it be because they are interested in bettering their leadership skills or simply looking for inspiration and motivation, no matter what career they are in. After reading this book, there are several key takeaways that will help me critique and build my leadership skills throughout my career. Furthermore, after reading this book, I feel very motivated to not only improve my leadership skills, but to also help others sculpt their roles in leadership as well. I truly believe each person's approach to leadership is different and unique in their own way. Additionally, this book provided several great examples of that and the wonderful effects that an excellent leader can have in any type of leadership position. Thank you.